Hello everyone, my name is Imran and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to dropship with Aliexpress on Ecwid. This is one of the best platform out there which you can use for selling on any platform out there. So what you need to do once you are over here, you can just click on get started for free. After that, you will end up over here and you can even sign up with Apple, Facebook and Google account, or you can go with the original email ID. I'm going with the Google account. Once you select your Google account, you will end up over here and you need to enter your store name over here. You need to select your country and even your currency also. Once you do all of this, just click on next. After that, you need to enter your city and your postal code. Once you select all of that, you will end up over here. This is the pricing plan which they provide for you for your Ecwid. We are going for the free tutorial right now, but we will talk about this later on at the end of this video. So I'm just going to click on create a store and it's free, and once you do that you will end up over here. So obviously we can see we have a lot of options over here to choose, like set up your website and storefront, add your products or services, but these are very separate tutorials and I'm not going to talk about that because we are going to right away in the drop shipping. So on the left side of the menu you need to find applications option over here, and under that you will have application market. You just need to click on that option and it would take you to the application market of the Ecwid. So here we are going to search an application called Supdropshipping, and I'm just going to write dropshipping so you will see how many dropshipping application out there. So you can see we have Printful and Scale Order, a lot of out there, but the first one is Supdropshipping. This is the China wholesale website, and as you can see it will source you from there, and we can see the picture, images, every single details what they are going to provide us. And you can see that they have 24/7 dedicated assistant helping with solving problems. That means that if you are having any problem you can ask them anytime. So this is one of the best out there, and as you can see once I search that it will end up at the top. So we are going to install that, and the most important that this one is very free. There is no hidden charges, so in my opinion this is one of the best. So just click on install again and wait for it to install, and you can open this application by clicking on open up once this one is pop up. So you can see that it's already installed and you just need to click on open application and click on go dashboard. Once you do that you will end up over here. You can see this is how it looks like, and on the left side of the menu we have so many options. In the dashboard we have analytics, how many orders you are taking in and what are the progress. You can see that all over here, and you can just click on find product and click on sourcing. This is where you can upload the images whatever you find on your Aliexpress. So let's go to Aliexpress website. Let's see how we are going to import products from Aliexpress. So once you're at your Aliexpress, you need to find the product you want to use for your own Ecwid platform. So if you scroll down, you can see we have already a lot of products over here. So I'm going to choose any one of them, and you will see how we can use this as a source of product. So this one, as you can see, for this tutorial I'm going with this one, and this is the shirt which I'm going to import in my Ecwid. How I can do that? First of all, you need to save this image. Only one image would be enough. So I'm going to save this one because this looks good in my opinion. And once you save this, go to Ecwid again and select your sub application which we recently installed and click on sourcing. After that, you need to drop that image over here, or you can choose it from over here as well. So as you can see, I pasted that image over here and we got the all the sources product from millions of suppliers. I got that from over here, and you can see a lot of pictures out there which are very similar, and they are providing the same product which we were looking for. And obviously you can go with the pricing and sales, how many sales which product has done, so you can choose that as well. So you can see if I click on sales, this is the one which had so many sales, like around 1500. So in my opinion this is one is good, and you can import this from over here by clicking on this, or you can just go ahead and view it right away first of all. So I'm going to click on import and click on confirm, and it would take some time to load up, and at the top you can see acquisition successful. So there is one more way to insert products in your Ecwid. How? Just go to your sub again, and on the left side of the menu you need to find products, and under that we have queue. This is where you will see all the products which you are going to queue for your own store on Ecwid. Just click on add now and it will take you right over here. This is where you will see a lot of products out there which you can choose from. And on the left side of the menu, we have category, and you can select the categories also. But here you can see all categories. Open this, and on the left side of the menu, we have warehouse. Select the warehouse. Let's say you are living in US, right? So you are going to select the US warehouse because this would take less time to deliver to their home. And obviously, once you order that from different warehouse like China or UK or from somewhere else, it would take a lot of time. And what is the most important thing to for the customer to receive product as soon as possible? So if you're selling in United States, so you can choose the United States warehouse. If you're selling somewhere else, you can select the different warehouse which is very closer to their country. So I'm going for the US warehouse for this tutorial, and you can even set the price, free shipping, video, and exclusive offers. If you want to select them, you can also do that. So these are some filters which you can use, and I'm going to click on apply. So we will see only the products which are available in US warehouses. So you can see we have a lot of options over here, and for this tutorial I'm going with the very random one, but obviously you can go ahead and select the one which you are looking for. So here, once I hover over any product, you can see on the left side we have US warehouse, and we have add to wish list which is available over here, you can see, and we have list to store. So I'm going to click on this option, and you can see on the left side of the menu we have add to queue list. Just click on this option. Here you can select the product variants also, like different colors and every single thing. We have images, products, a description, and attributes, so you can choose that from over here. We have the store, which store you want to use it for, and ship from US, which we were looking for, right? And ship my orders from over here. And on the right side you can see that local shipping, you can use it from over here, and you can even categorize it, so later on you can organize all the stuff on your store. So I'm going to click on list it now. Once you click on list it now, you will see something like this, listed successfully, and you can go back to your member center. You can refresh this page, and you will see something like this. Here you can view this also again from over here. You can add to cart, delete it, and you can click on list now. Once you click on list now, on the left side of the menu you will see listed, and here you will see that you have already listed your Ecwid platform. So this is what I have done already. You might not see this, but once you click on listed from over here, this will end up in your listed category, obviously, right? You can view this from over here. You can check the details like what you have done so far. So I'm going to click on view. Let's see how it looks like, and this is where it will end up. So this is the product which we have chosen for our store. So obviously we have added this product on our Ecwid, right? So let's go to Ecwid and let's see how we can find this product. On the left side of the menu, you just need to go to your catalog and click on products. Once you click on that, you will see at the top we have added that over here, and this is the price which we have added for our product over here. Under that, we have some sample product have been given to us by Ecwid itself. You can add new product from over here, you can import it, and you can bulk edit all of them at once. So obviously we have added the product, but we need to see this on our website also. So on the top right we have that view store, and this is my store name, so you might see something different once you name your store. So I'm going to click on this, and it will take you right over here. Here you will see something different, like to select your own theme. I have chosen this one. Obviously I can edit this also at the top right corner, but this is the one which we were looking for, and this is the product which I have added. And you can see that if I click on this option, you will see all the products, whatever you have it for your Ecwid, it will create a separate page of that, and with the same information which you have given to it. So this is how you can import products. So before I end this video, let's talk about a pricing plan. On the left side we have free version, which we have used this on our tutorial right now, and this one only provides you 5 products to add from your dropshipping. Even though if you are adding your own original product, this one only provide you 5 products. So on the right side we have venture, which only provides you 100, and business would only provide you 2500, and the unlimited ones, and obviously as it sounds like unlimited products, you can add that on your platform. There are some properties and things which you can see over here, like sell e-goods, mobile store management application, live chat support, access to app market. Obviously these plans are way stronger than free version, and every plan are stronger to another plan out there. So as you can see, these are some differences out there which you can choose it from. And as a starting, as a beginner, in my opinion, go for the free, so learn how it works, and after that you can go and grow your platform later on. So that's it. This is all you need to know how to do it. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.